Guys, you are watching Voice Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Muhammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you isometric view one problem. So how to draw this problem I am going to explain you in detail. So please watch my videos till the end. And this problem is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students, and it's of 10 to 15 marks for different branches. And please watch my videos till the end and also practice by yourself. Then only you come to understand how to draw this problem. And please, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also press my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. I will start my question. A sphere of diameter 45 mm means you have a rigid circle like this. It is a sphere of 40 mm diameter. Its diameter is 45 mm. रेस्ट सेंट्रली ओवर ए फ्रस्टम ऑफ ए कोन मीन्स आपको ये स्पीयर फ्रस्टम के सेंट्रली रेस्ट करता है. तो ये फ्रस्टम ऐसे होता है आपका, ठीक है. फ्रस्टम ऑफ ए कोन ऑफ बेस डायमीटर 60 mm. इसकी बेस डायमीटर कितनी है? 60 mm है. टॉप डायमीटर 40 mm. तो फ्रस्टम का ये टॉप डायमीटर कितना है? 40 mm है. एंड हाइट 60 mm मीन्स ये फ्रस्टम की हाइट कितनी है? 60 mm है. ड्रॉ द आइसोमेट्रिक व्यू. तो आपको आइसोमेट्रिक व्यू यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करना है, फिर ऑर्थोग्राफिक व्यू. सबसे पहले आपको ऑर्थोग्राफिक व्यू ड्रॉ करना है, उसके बाद आइसोमेट्रिक व्यू. तो ऑर्थोग्राफिक व्यू कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं? सबसे पहले आप एक लाइन लीजिए, इसको एक्सवाई लाइन भी कहते हैं और रेफरेंस लाइन भी कहते हैं. अब आपको ये फिगर को आपको टॉप से देखेंगे. अब यहाँ पर टॉप व्यू ड्रॉ करना है. तो अगर आप ये फिगर को ऊपर से देखेंगे तो आपको ये 45 डायमीटर का सर्कल दिखेगा पहले. तो वही चीज सर्कल आपको ड्रॉ करना है 45 की. तो 45 की सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए आपको डिवाइडर पे 22 पॉइंट उसका हाफ 45 का हाफ 22.5 mm लेना है और सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. दिखता है तो डार्क. ड्रॉ करने के बाद आपको फिर ऊपर से देखिए, आपको ये फ्रस्टम का 40 डायमीटर का सर्कल जो दिख रहा है वो भी आपको दिखेगा, लेकिन इनविजिबल ये चीज है, लेकिन ऊपर से आपको नहीं दिखेगा. क्यों बोले तो ये फ्रस्टम 40 डायमीटर का सर्कल से पहले 45 का डायमीटर है. तो सबसे पहले 45 दिखेगा, उसके बाद 40 का. तो चीज इसके पीछे है, ये चीज नहीं दिख रही है सर्कल. तो उसके लिए जो सर्कल नहीं दिख रहा 40 डायमीटर का, वो आपको डॉटेड लाइन ड्रॉ करना है जो 40 का सर्कल है. तो 40 का सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए 20 mm उसका हाफ मेजरमेंट लीजिए और डॉट लाइन ड्रॉ कीजिए ऐसे. सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के बाद अब उसके बाद आपको ऊपर से फिर से देखेंगे तो आपके 60 का सर्कल भी दिखेगा आपको. तो ये 60 का सर्कल आपको दिख रहा है पूरा, तो उसको आप 60 का सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. तो 60 का सर्कल ड्रॉ करने के लिए 30 mm लीजिए. यू हैव टू टेक 30 mm, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ. Okay, 40 mm this is a dark circle, and then this 45 mm this is a dark circle, and 40 circle is the dotted circle, and the 60 mm circle that is the this outermost circle, dark circle. Then after you have to take the projection lines till this xy line like this, and this also from this ends also circles ends like this. The remaining line you are getting on the xy line, you have to dark it. Okay, and if you see from the front, now you have to draw the front view. This top view is over. Now you have to see this figure from the front. From the front, the frustum look like this. Okay, so it's circle of this diameter is 60 mm, so already it is 60 mm. Then after its axis height is also 60 mm, so we have to take 60 mm axis height from here and draw 60 mm axis line, and also draw a line here like this. Then after, your 40 mm circle is also there, so its width is 40 of this circle. So if you see from the front, 40 mm width it will be have. So already I am having a 40 mm circle here. So from that end I will adjust my mini drafter, and with this end I will take a point like here, and from here also I will take a point like here. Okay, that's 40 mm side is known, so you have to draw dark. Then after, to draw the slant edges of the frustum, just draw the lines by combining these two ends like this. Your frustum of the front view is created. Then after, on this frustum, your sphere is resting centrally. So exactly at the center of this point, this sphere you have to draw. This sphere diameter is 45 mm. So to draw the 45 mm circle, already I am having a 45 circle, so adjusting the radius of that 45 mm on the divider, and this on this point, take a point like this, or exactly straight on this point, and what that point, draw the sphere circle which is of 45 mm. Then after, show the dimensions of the frustum axis height, and this axis height is, how much is the frustum axis height? 60 mm, so 60 mm, and the diameter of this sphere is 45 mm. And also show in the top view, and this circle is of 60 mm diameter, and one more circle is there, that is dotted line circle, that is of 40 diameter. Okay, after showing this dimensions, now you have to draw the isometric view. So to draw the isometric view, first you have to draw a normal line like this, imaginary line, put a dot on that line like this, and then keep your protractor on that dot correctly, and take 30-degree angle from here and 30-degree angle from here. Then after, draw a convenient line, how much you want to take, that much, like this. Sorry. Then after, show the angle of this lines as 30 degree, as you have taken 30 degree. Then after, you have to draw this frustum, this circle that is on bottom. So first I am drawing this. So how to draw this? By this measurement only you have to take. So take your divider, and the 60 mm circle you have to adjust on the divider, and take the arcs on the 30-degree angle like this. You will have a rhombus. So by this end you can create an arc like this, and from here where these two arcs are meeting, there you have to draw a line like this. Your rhombus of 60 mm is created. Then after, move the center point by joining this rhombus opposite sides like this. Then after, to draw this circle of 60 mm in this, by 4 center method we have to draw. So this is the method of 4 center method. So how to draw? By taking this 60 mm half, that is the radius, then take the arcs on this rhombus. After that, join the lines from the top end of the rhombus to this bottom arcs, and then the bottom end of the rhombus from this arcs you have done upside. Then after, take your divider. Now you have to draw this circle, this bottom circle. So how to draw this? This half circle is visible, means this half circle is visible from the front. We have the observer. If you see this, the half circle is visible. The remaining half circle is invisible. So for the invisibility, we have to do a dot line. So how to do? I am showing you. Adjust your drafter, and this one is visible. So do it dark. And from here, this much also it is visible. So done dark. This much is also visible. The remaining half is not visible, so do it dot like this. And keeping on this end, the remaining arc you have to draw circle. Your bottom diameter of the frustum has been created of 60 mm diameter. Then after, the axis height of this frustum is 60 mm. So take 60 mm axis height from the center of the point like this, from here 60 mm. Then put a dot and draw the axis line like this. Then also draw a line and extend one more line. Here you have to draw this 40 mm diameter circle. So to draw that, the same 40 mm rhombus you have to create, 40, 40, 40, 40 like this. So I am having 40 mm same. So adjusting your mini drafter or scale with this line and with that with this line, you have to adjust your mini drafter, or you can adjust this 30-degree angle from this, and from there, by adjusting correctly, draw the line like this, and upper also 40 mm line. By adjusting, it should meet this line and this line also like this. Then remaining lines, just you draw end-to-end lines. From that 40 mm rhombus is also created, and the same process you have done for this bottom diameter circle, and same process we have to do for the 40 mm circle. So 40 mm half is I am adjusting on mini drafter, sorry, on a divider. Then take the arcs, same with the 4 arcs you have to take. The same method you have to use, that is of 4 center method. Then after, join the lines with these arcs like this. And with the divider, this circle, 40 mm circle is not visible, something visible or something is not visible. If you see from the front, the half circle is visible, so you have to do it dark. And from here, the remaining arc, okay, the remaining we have to do it dot, and I will do some more things to do this, so I will show you how to do. Then after creating the 40 mm circle diameter, then join the slant edges. These are the slant edges, so you have to join the slant edges till that angle, and from this end like this. It is not meeting exactly to the center of this circle, so somewhat upside. So the remaining arc we have to do it dark, okay. And here on the center of this 40 mm circle, on this frustum of the cone, your sphere is resting of having 40 mm diameter. So to draw that, already I am having 45 mm diameter, so adjusting with that angle, and centrally with this only, you have to adjust your point here. Then after, draw your sphere. Here your sphere has been created. Then after, see here, this frustum circle and this sphere somewhat visible, but remaining this circle arc is visible from the front, so we have to do it dark this much. Remaining backside it is, so it is not visible because of this sphere, so we have done it dot line this much. Then after I show the dimension of the frustum axis height by taking the extension lines like this, and its axis height is of 60 mm. Okay, so show that also. And this is the complete solution of this isometric view problem. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel. And also, after watching my videos, please practice by yourself, then only you come to understand how to draw this problem. Thank you.